Good morning, children. I am Srishti Singh, and this is your English 2 class. In my earlier two classes, I have completed the chapter Clever Somu. As you all know, that the explanation of the chapter Clever Somu has completed now. So, so today I am going to explain some questions and its answers. So there is none of the question given in the book. Okay, none of the question has given in your book. So I have made some questions for you, and today I will discuss about those questions. So the first question is, who was Subbu? As you all know that Subbu was a wealthy trader. He was a shopkeeper and he had a shop in the village. Okay, so this is the answer. Subbu was a wealthy trader who had a shop in the village, and also Subbu was the father of Somu. Okay, Subbu was the father of Somu. So this is the final answer. Subbu was a wealthy trader who had a shop in the village, and also Subbu was the father of Somu. So this is the complete answer. Now the question number 2 is, what was the most favorite pastime of Muthu? Muthu was very naughty boy and he do whatever he likes. So the answer is the most favorite pastime of Muthu was throwing stones. Okay, Muthu used to throw stones at the customer who came to Subbu's shop, and not only to the customers. He also likes to throw the stones at Subbu's shop. So the complete answer will be the most favorite pastime of Muthu was throwing stones at the customers who came to Subbu's shop. Now the third question is, to whom Subbu asked for the help. So Subbu was very much irritated by the behavior, by the habit of Muthu. He used to throw stones at his customers and at his shop. So he was very much irritated. So he went to Muthu's parents. Okay, first he went to Muthu's parents for the help. He requested them to stop Muthu from doing all these things, but Muthu's parents they paid no attention towards the request of Subbu. So after this, Subbu visited to headman of the village. Okay, there was a headman in the village. So Subbu went to the headman of the village for the help. He told headman said that Muthu is a very small kid and a mad boy, so forgive him. So this is the answer, that firstly Subbu went to Muthu's parents for the help, but they paid no attention towards the Subbu's request. So later Subbu went to the headman of the village. Now the next question is, what Somu decided to do for his father. As you know that Somu was the son of Subbu. So when he saw his father disheartened, unhappy and upset by the Muthu's behavior and the decision taken by the headman, so Somu decided to help his father, and he decided to stand in front of his father's shop and decided to collect all the stones that Muthu throws and collect it. Okay, so this is the answer, that Somu decided to stand in front of his father's shop every day in order to catch and collect all the stones that Muthu throws. Now the last question is, what was the final verdict of the headman? Verdict means decision. So what was the final decision of the headman? In the final decision of Headman said to Muthu's parents that if you have never asked Somu to return all the stones back that Muthu threw at his customers and at his shop, so then you have no right to ask Somu to return the packet of jewelry back to you. Okay, whatever Muthu used to throw at customers at Subbu's shop, Somu collected it and kept it with him. So this time also, if Muthu threw a packet of jewelry to him at his shop, So this time also Somu will collect it and keep it with him. So this was the final decision of the headman, or final verdict of the headman. Okay, he said that the packet and its content should now belongs to Somu. So this is the answer, and here I have made only 5 questions for this chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter and the questions. Okay, so list down all the doubts you are having. I will clear all your doubts during online classes. Bye everyone.